Activity. Objective. To interpret geometrically the meaning of I is equal to square root of minus 1 and its integral powers. Material required: cardboard, chart paper, sketch pen, pencil, compass, ruler, nails, thread. Method of construction. Number 1. Take a cardboard of a convenient size and paste a chart paper on it. Second one, draw two mutually perpendicular lines x dash and y dash intersecting at the point O as shown in figure. Third one, take a thread of a unit length representing the number 1 along OX. Fix one end of the thread to the nail at O and the other end at A as shown in the figure. Fourth one, set free the other end of the thread at A and rotate the thread through angles of 90 degree, 180 degree, 270 degree and 360 degree and mark the free end of the thread in different cases as A1, A2, A3 and A4 respectively as shown in the figure. Demonstration. Take a cardboard of a convenient size and paste a chart paper on it. Draw two mutually perpendicular lines x dash and y dash intersecting at the point O. Intersecting at O. Take a thread of unit length representing 1 along OX. Fix one end of the thread to the nail at O and the other end at A. Set free the other end of the thread at A and rotate the thread through angles of 90 degree, 100, 80 degree, 200, 70 degree and 360 degree and make the free end of the thread in a different cases as A1, A2, A3 and A4 respectively. OA represents 1 unit, OA1 represents 1 into I is equal to I. As you know, x-axis represent a real axis and y-axis imaginary axis. OA2 represents -1, that is nothing but as a I into I. OA3 represents I cube, that is I into I into I. OA4, that is I raised to the power 4, that is I into I into I into I is equal to I raised to the power 4. In the Argand plane, that is plane representing complex numbers, OA, OA1, OA2, OA3, OA4 represent respectively 1, I, -1, minus I, 1. OA1 is equal to I is equal to 1 into I. OA2 is equal to -1 is equal to I into I is equal to I square. OA3 is equal to minus I is equal to I into I into I into I is equal to I cube and so on. Each time rotation of OA by 90 degree is equivalent to multiplication by I. Thus, I is referred to as the multiplying factor for a rotation of 90 degree. Observation. Number 1. On rotating OA through 90 degree, OA1 is equal to 1 into I is equal to I. Second one, on rotating OA through an angle of 180 degree, OA2 is equal to 1 into I is equal to I square. Third one, on rotating OA through 270 degree, that is 3 right angles, OA3 is equal to 1 into I is equal to I cube. Fourth one, on rotating OA through 360 degree, that is 4 right angles, OA4 is equal to 1 into I is equal to I raised to the power 4. On rotating OA through n right angles, OAN is equal to 1 into I dash 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 n times is equal to I raised to the power n. Application. This activity may be used to evaluate any integral power of I. Observation. Number 1. P1M1 is equal to P1S. P1S is equal to P1M1. Second one, P2M2 is equal to P2S. P2S is equal to P2M2. Third one, P3M3 is equal to P3S. P3S is equal to P3M3. Fourth one, P4M4 is equal to P4S. P4S is equal to P4M4. Fifth one, P5M5 is equal to P5S. P5S is equal to P5M5. Sixth one, the distance of the point P1 from M1 is equal to the distance of P1 from S. Seventh one, the distance between the points P2 and M2 is equal to the distance of P2 from S. The distance of the point P3 from M3 is equal to the distance of the point P3 from S. Eighth one, distances of the points P1, P2, P3 dash 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 from the line L are equal to the distances of these points from the point S. Ninth one, therefore, the freehand curve obtained by joining P1, P2, P3 dash 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 is a parabola with the directrix L and focus S. Tenth one, distance of the vertex P4 and S is equal to P4 S. 11th one, distance of the vertex of the parabola from the directrix is equal to P4 M4.